The quick commerce space and the startup space, Amar Singh Deo, I want to get your views, especially in light of what we've seen yesterday. We had Zepto launching the Zepto Cafe, another unlisted, but however, a unicorn competitor to both Swiggy and Zomato. And at the same time, both Swiggy and Zomato trying to firm up their own subscription base by introducing excellent benefits like recommendations from friends on Zomato, and Swiggy introducing a luxury feature called the Swiggy Black or the One Black. What do you make of Zomato and Swiggy this morning? Let's start with Zomato.
See, if I look at Zomato's had a stellar run. I would say it's been a phenomenal run for Zomato. It's up by almost 8x over the last I would say couple of years, because it had made a low of almost 30 towards towards 40. Sorry, 40 from 40. It's up at around 300 odd levels, 293 to be precise. Currently, we are seeing some sort of profit booking happening in Zomato. If I look at the trend, long-term trend continues to remain strong and positive, but upside we are seeing some loss of momentum. So what's actually that means is that at now higher levels, some profit booking is definitely happening in Zomato, but there is the strong uptrend remains intact. As long as the stock does not breach the 260 level, I don't think there's not much cause of worry. Currently, it's around 300 odd levels, so basically it's a 10% correction from those levels, and sustaining above the 300 mark could take the stock towards the 330, 340 zone. So overall, the stock is positive, but fresh entry at the current levels, you need to be slightly cautious.
Okay, a quick word on Swiggy. Is Swiggy seeing a similar pattern on your charts? What do you make of it?
So as far as Swiggy is concerned, we don't have much of data in terms of price movement on the exchange. But what we've seen is that the stock has moved from almost the 400 levels to 580, and currently it's around the 522 mark. So yes, Swiggy also has. See, these are stocks which one can look at from a long-term perspective also.
Right.
Not only from a short-term perspective, one can look at adding to. But one always needs to remember that a stock can go from 300 to 40 and again from 40 to 300. So that idea has to be clearly understood by every investor.
Right.
That the stocks could move that way, because generally people. So you have to look at buying stocks which are good quality, and also you have to look at averaging them if you can, because that will help you really tide over if the stock witnesses some sharp correction. Because if the same stock which within past 1.5 year has moved from 40 to 300.
Right. So averaging out stock seems to be the word coming in from Amar Singh Deo.